रोहित, your films initially वो भी थोड़ी सीरियस थी और उसमें कॉन्टेक्स्ट और जो मेन चीज जो टर्निंग पॉइंट थी वो भी थोड़ा कभी एंड में थोड़ा हैवी होता था, बट नाउ यू आर डूइंग अ रोम कॉम, है ना, एंड वी ऑलवेज वेटिंग कि व्हेन यू विल डू इट. सो व्हाइल यू गॉट द स्क्रिप्ट एंड डू यू आल्सो फील बहुत लैक है?
See, I feel जो मेरी पहले की फिल्म्स थी, जो भी जिस भी फिल्म का मैं हिस्सा बन पाया हूँ, आई फील लाइक while they spoke about something serious, but I think उसका जो अप्रोच था वो मुझे बहुत पसंद था. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल डियर जिंदगी, हिचकी, स्काई इज पिंक, all of these are sure they're serious films, as in like they talk about like an issue, but at the same time जिस तरीके से उसका अप्रोच था वो मुझे काफी ह्यूमरस लगा. I really liked how, you know, अगर कुछ सिखाना होता है वो सिर्फ लेक्चर देकर ही नहीं, मजाक से भी सिखा सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
And I really liked that about those films, which is why I wanted to be a part of them.
Yeah, definitely.
But having said that, romance is something that I've always wanted to do. And you know, I was just sitting over here and while listening to Pashmina and Gibran, I was thinking about it. That romance as a genre can be so many things, and this is me completely losing my mind and just like putting things together. I could be completely wrong and y'all can agree to disagree or just completely diss me. But listen.
Diss you.
So listen, romance, at the core of it is romance, right?
Yeah.
But for somebody who does not have romance in their personal life, it can be horror. Right? When you're watching it.
Oh damn.
But in general, for the entire audience, it's such a thrill, like it's a thriller, I feel, because eventually, and this is something that my producer says, Jaya, that romance films are the best kind of thrillers because you know that they're going to end up together.
Yeah.
But
you don't know how they're going to end up together.
Exactly.
And I think that's so cool.
Yeah.
You know, that you actually sit through it. You sit through an entire film knowing that the two characters are going to end up together, but you want to know how they're going to end up together.
Definitely.
So I feel like my preferred genre is always going to be romance because you get to do so much with it.
Yeah.
You know, sure, you know, people will say, "Arey हाँ, सेम कहानी है, एक लड़का एक लड़की, दो लड़का दो लड़की, दो लड़के एक लड़की." But at the same time, I think the fun is how they get together and what the conflict is.
Yes.
And I really love that. So I feel like my preferred genre to watch and to be a part of will always be romance. I think मेरा हमेशा एक soft spot रहेगा romance की तरफ. Having said that, of course, I do want to venture into like different
Other
kinds of
spaces
roles,
also,
and that's why I do something like a Vikram Veda and many more hopefully in future.
For sure.
Hi everyone, this is Rohit Saraf.
Hi, I'm Pashmina Roshan.
Hi, I'm Gibran Khan.
And we are the cast of
Ishq Vishk Rebound.
that releases on the
21st of June
in theaters near you.
And far away.
And we are in conversation with Amar for Mama Razzi.
Mamarazzi.
Mama
Thank you,
Razzi.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Like,
Thank you
share,
guys for doing
subscribe.
this.